we're here for the first episode of Auto Culture Season 2. Guys, ito nga, Season 2 na tayo. So ngayon guys, kasama ko ang President ng PADEC Las Piñas, Sir Jong Llamus. Sir Jong,
hi,
thank you
good evening.
sa time and effort na napagbigyan mo ng Auto Culture, boss. I'm sure, boss, nakakailang bote na ba tayo doon, boss? May ask, boss, nakakailang bote na ba tayo doon, sir?
Isa-isa.
Isa pa lang. Isa pa lang.
Isang bucket.
Isang bucket. Boss, Sir Jong, hindi ko na patatagalin. Siyempre, our viewers of Auto Culture and subscribers very curious, paano ba nag-start ng
PADEC Las Piñas is started by our founder, Mr. Jet Enriquez and Gilbert Gutierrez. Nung time na yon is iilan pa lang. Then, isa ako sa mga na-recruit nila as maging bona fide member ng PADEC Las Piñas. At nung time na yun, wala pang mga officers na nangyari. So, nung time nung nagkaroon na ng election, first election ng PADEC Las Piñas,
okay.
Glad to say na ako napili nila as president.
As president?
Yeah.
Boss, ito kakabonified mo pala? Kakabona mo pala? Or...
one and until now. Ako pa rin.
Grabe. Oh.
So, actually, gusto ko nang bigay yung iba. Bigyan ng
Pagbigyan
chance iba. Ayaw
pagbigyan ng chance.
So,
syempre, Sir Jong, our viewers, paano ba sumali sa PADEC?
PADEC is the same to others PADEC group like PADEC Manila.
Okay.
3 consecutive EB. At the same time, if you're present at that time, there's a time na pwede ka nang bigyan ng stickers. Yes. At the same time, legit member.
Legit member, bonafide member
yes,
na sa
pwede ka na magkaroon ng shirts.
Okay. Ano ba yun, sir? Ito personal question, Sir Jong. Siyempre, pag sumasali sa mga car clubs na ganyan, may fee. Is there any annual fee, monthly?
Sa ibang chapters, yeah, they have. But sa amin, since nagsisimula pa lang din kami, hindi pa naman din kami ganun katagal. I think 2 years pa lang kami. We're planning, but kami gumagawa kami ng ibang agenda na para magkaroon kami ng certain amount of magkaroon kami ng pondo or budget.
Yes,
like bigyan ko ng maganda example, EB, nag-inuman. So kung ano yung magiging total bill, i-divide namin into equal sharing. Yung magiging sobra napupunta sa pondo. Yes, so far sa ganun pa lang. So wala pa kaming exact amount na to be shoulder each member.
Each member, boss. Kasi minsan nagkakaroon ng problema.
Minsan nagkakaroon ng issue na saan napupunta. Iniinom mo lang.
Pag financial, boss, medyo yun yung nagiging issue.
Iniiwasan ko lang din.
Okay. So, Jong, syempre, as a member, ano bang magiging benefit ni member pag sumali sa...
Mostly, nag-iibig kami. At the same time, nung nakaraang recently na nangyari is yung sa Taal Volcano. So yes, we have a PADEC Batangas na chapters na doon kami gumawa kami ng relief. Something bagan, tulong sa mga kakilala na pwedeng may ambag doon sa mga taga PADEC Batangas.
Siyempre lalo na lately lang yun. Lately lang. So that's a good thing. Siguro Sir Jong, add ko lang mga viewers natin. Hindi lahat ng car clubs is merong ginatong outreach, parang programs or tipong i-prioritize yung tumulong.
Yes. Actually, sa amin na nangyari, miniting ko sila. The question is, meron ba kayong mga extra clothes dyan na hindi nyo na ginagamit?
Okay.
Na pwedeng ibigay natin or i-donate natin doon sa mga tao na nangangailangan?
Yes.
Actually, hindi ko sila in-oblige as sa pera na side monetary. Kung meron man nagbigay, binibili din namin as mga mineral waters. Yes, binibili namin
food or mga katulong na agad.
Yes,
okay, Sir Jong, syempre, I'm sure you're busy ba? Ano ba, boss? Ano bang mabibigay mong tips sa mga naka-EK dyan or gusto sumali?
Don't hesitate na pumasok sa mga chapters na gusto nyong pasukan.
Okay.
Huwag nyong iisipin na stuck lang kayo or kupas na yung pintura ng EK nyo or may dent yung EK nyo. This PADEC group is welcome sa lahat naman ng EK. No discrimination, kay pangit pa yan, kay maganda, ano pa yan. As long as you're willing to be a part of member of the chapter, so be it.
kumbaga welcome, boss.
Yes,
Yun ang kagandahan nun. Minsan talaga, hindi natin maiwasan. Kailangan maganda yung auto mo dapat.
Actually, masishare ko lang din.
Sige, boss.
Meron
Sige,
akong
sir.
4 na members na may business na kailangan nila i-let go yung e-case nila and bumili ng CRV. Kasi more on kargahan, gano'n. So sa akin, at the same time, hanggang ngayon, wini-welcome ko pa rin sila.
Na ano?
Kasi napifeel ko sa nila yung heart nila is into paddock.
Oo.
But yun nga lang, sad to say na kailangan nila i-let go yung paddock nila, EK nila, just because of their own reasons.
Yun, syempre, Sir Jong, I'm sure hindi naman tayo pare-pares ng ano rin, no? Ng priorities, tama ba,
Yes,
Sir
yes,
Jong?
yes.
So, nabanggit mo nga na yung priority nila is, syempre,
Family side.
Family side.
Sa akin lang is, kung hindi ka makapunta ng EK, basta family first. Magiging parang ano na natin to, second or third option na natin tong EBs.
Okay. So, Jong, I'm sure meron kang gustong pasalamatan sa mga officers mo ng, of course,
Yes,
social media.
Paddock Las Piñas is hindi mabubuo without, especially my Vice President, Brian, and Secretary Aljon, Treasurer Ice, and of course the founders, Gilbert Gutierrez and Jet Enriquez. Without you guys, hindi magiging possible to mga nangyayari sa atin ngayon. So, just help and support me. Go tayo.
Okay, arriba tayo. Okay, boss, family? I'm sure baka meron kailangan, boss.
Shout out, family.
Family, boss.
My family in Cagayan de Oro. See you on March 5. I'll be there. May laban tayo dyan eh. Actually, I'm into cockfighting. So March 7 may laban tayo. Kita-kita tayo dyan.
Nandun ba siya? Nandun ba family mo?
My mother is, actually taga doon talaga kami.
Taga doon.
Nandito ako kasi may business. Business.
Okay, yun. Sir Jong, thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you sa time and syempre ang effort. I'm sure bakit pa ba tayo dyan, boss?
Bakit? Kung mag-aambag sila.
Okay, so, this is Brian Canana and yes, Auto Culture.
Taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.